What's good, y'all? Basically, today we are going to Ding Dong Ditch, and you know what I'm saying. But you see, blind patch out, and yeah, my cameraman keeps getting scared that he's gonna fall. You're good, but yeah. So yeah, you also see, you know what I'm saying. We outside with it, so we had to bring the bag. So yeah, enjoy. Uh. Come, run. Okay, y'all. So there's basically, bro. Come in. Bro, turn the camera. But look, bro. So look, there's a house right here. All right, stay. Wait, actually, come. Go right there. No, right here. Right here, ready? Have your back on the door. Okay, ready? Go. Oh my gosh. They won't hear. All right, ready? Stay out here. Stay here and zoom in on me. Oh my gosh! Go! Film me, right? Wait, is this house on there? Do we do it? Hey, if I do it, run. Go, walk. Just walk. Chat, y'all know something I've never done? I've never gotten a car to honk, okay? So, like, look, stand back here. We need to make sure that we catch a car honking. Like, turn with me. Okay? So, like, because I want to honk! Honk that thing! No, what the? Don't wave at me! Oh, wait, another car. Honk! Yeah, it's like your man in a movie. FedEx. Oh, FedEx. Honk! Yeah! You feel me? The big about you funny, so got somebody to honk for him. Was that corny? Sorry. You hate me? Oh, you hate me, don't you? You know what? Come and hit me! Bro, y'all see him, bro? Like, I could've went to the league instead. Like, look.
Kevin Durant?
Like, I could've went to the league. Hello, all y'all, bro. I know we're so little right now. We're gonna be bigger. Like, bro, we're gonna be bigger and better. I'm telling you about it, bro. I'm gonna be everybody's favorite YouTuber. Y'all will know my name, bro. Bro, Too Funny is gonna be a household name, bro. I'm telling you right now. But look, I love y'all. 500 soon and 1K and 100K, 500K, 1 mil, all that stuff coming soon. I love you all, bro. Bigger and better things.
Hey, what's good, y'all? So it's currently the day after Easter. It's like what, 3? It's almost 4 p.m. I'm gonna go finish this video for y'all, right? Okay. So like, and I also like, I'm pretty sure like they trespassed us because I saw a thing and it was like oh, because they put up a sign talk about, oh, cameras are here. So we're just gonna, you know what I'm saying, risk it for the biscuit. And yeah. Let's get straight into it. We're currently walking into enemy territory right now. Yo, I'm not playing. I'm about to show y'all the sign. Violators subjects to fines. I've never seen that. Hey, come and catch me.
What are we eating tonight? Eating curry joe, my nigga.
Okay, we're currently here right now. See, I'm not playing, dog. If I get trespassed from here, it's whatever, dog. Okay, I'll get the next one. We just went to the front. We're gonna go to the back now. Oh my gosh! Oh, oh, might have had a Ring camera. I don't give a fuck. I'm living right now, dog. Yo, my knee. No, my knee. Like, I kicked it. You know, my knee feels hurt, but you know, I'm gonna just walk out. Fuck it. Excuse me. Oh, I'm sorry.
Sorry, bro.
Yeah, so my phone is a bit scratched up. Why are there so much people around? Anyways, yeah, my phone is a bit scratched up, but that doesn't matter because we risk it for the biscuit, and if we win, we get a Trisket. Oh, that was bomb. Oh, whoa! Why is he stopping at the house? Oh my gosh, nah, this is actually insane. They had a Ring camera, but you know, your boy doesn't care. I feel like I said asked him about the ding dong, did you? Low key though. Man, next tape before I go and be a menace again. Damn it. Man, look, I'm telling y'all right now, bro. I could have made the lead. Look, watch this. Damn. Why the hell is that little kid looking at me? Look, ready? Yo, he's like staring right at me. Yo, stop staring. What you doing? Oh! There's a car. There's no joker car. There's no joker car. There's a car. I'm gonna put y'all over here and I'm gonna run, but there's a door. Maybe not right there. Right now. Hey y'all. After I complain Clash of Clans. Before y'all leave, bro, I just have to say your boy is finally sponsored. But on a real note though, yeah, I'm finally sponsored by Dubby. Y'all probably have seen it on your For You page, but like, and I know they say like, oh, we want to sponsor you. Well, I took them up on that offer and they accepted me in, so it's just like, yeah, I'm sponsored. And thank you, Dubby, for sponsoring me. And you know, I don't want to sound corny by getting sponsored by something free that like they sponsor everybody and then saying like I wouldn't be here without y'all. But on a real note, I wouldn't be here without y'all. I hit 10K on TikTok. I hit 440 subs on here. We're super close to 500. Yeah. And on Instagram, shout out to Bits. Bits underscore ZN. Bro, I'm gonna put his @ somewhere on here. Bro, he got me to like 1,280 followers. And like my profile views have been skyrocketing because of him. So I want to shout out to you, gang. I love you. But yeah. And yeah, like we've came so far. I love you all. And there's big things coming. There are really, really big things coming. Sorry, I had to do that. I be seeing y'all edit me. I be seeing y'all do that. Love y'all.